Hello, and thank you very much for checking out my course. My name is Pavel, and I am a computer programmer at a major national insurance company. I love programming and I love games. And let me guess, you do too, right? Well, the problem is that programming games can quickly get overwhelming and doubts start creeping up. Am I good enough for this? Am I ever going to be able to program games on my own? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. If you think that you'll never have the skills to program games, or if you're frustrated because you feel like you're stuck in a rut, well, if that's how you feel, then chances are that it's not your skills that are lacking, but rather the approach that you have taken. Trying to run before you can crawl, so to speak. I believe this course can help you get back on track and help you stay on it. And at the end of it, you'll be amazed just how much of what you learned from programming simple games can be applied to pretty much any game. Basics of collision, path finding, scorekeeping, player's input. These are just a few things that you will learn and can apply to any game. So what games are we going to create? It's Hungry Snake game, Bubble Breaker game, Arkanoid clone, also known as Brick Breaker, and Pong game. Please watch the following video for demonstration and more details about what the lectures cover and what the prerequisites are. Now, I know these are simple games, but the logic that makes them work, although it's not a rocket science, it's still pretty intense and opens door to more advanced game logic. Remember, learn to crawl before you can run, so if you are ready to finally make the step towards game programming, then enroll now and let's get started.